Hey, how's it going, YouTube? My name is David from freelancerinsights.com, and this is a different video than the normal videos that I do on this channel. I normally do tutorial videos, but today we're going to freelance meet and eat. So yeah, I'm super late. It's 30 minutes late. I'm going to be meeting Gigiri and Deno, and we're going to be chilling out at Dominos, Kenya, and I hope that you enjoy the content. We're going to be talking a lot about freelancing and hopefully some things on diversification of freelance income, because yeah, we know how it goes. If I'm not working, I don't make any money. So let's see some of the options that we've done along the way. So I hope that you enjoy this video. And how cool is this? There is an avocado just outside my house, an avocado tree. And for those of you that don't know avocados, here they are. So yeah, let's do this, and I hope to see you once the video is done. So enjoy the video and stay tuned for more content. And if you love this content of this kind, why I freelance with my friends, probably discuss some ideas on how you can make some money freelancing, let me know. Enjoy the video. I need you guys. We are going to be alcohol.
Yeah, do musara ke?
De musara? Saya cari si adik kubur lagi. Ayo. Mambo vipi? Wagwana ni aje? Kwa sana bwana. Niambie tu. In the area. The vlogging.
I wonder tuone which one is it.
Reduce size.
Mala kaka tutarogerera.
Reduce size.
Videographers, vloggers ndio hawa kukula. Aha, pizza number 2 ndo hiyo. Wanaume ni kushiba bwana. Kula.
Sasa asante sana kwa kuja na kununua lunch. Now. Unajua sasa hii biashara lazima tukimbizane nayo.
Lazima bwana.
Machi na kupelekaje?
Machi. Slow down.
Kwanza hebu piga intro. Nipige intro kwanza. Kwa kamera huko, angalia huko.
Angalia kamera moja.
You're rolling.
Sawa. Okay. Kwa majina ni Deno. Anatoria kidogo.
It doesn't matter actually. English is better. Yes, but you can mix.
For formality purposes, my name is Dennis.
Yes.
And I am a freelancer. I specialize in print on demand and video editing. I also do some part-time audio editing, but mostly I concentrate on print on demand and video editing. So, the main platform where my work is based is much by Amazon. I have recently opened an account on Redbubble and made a few sales, but much by Amazon is my main concentration as of now. Which I can say it's not that bad, but okay, it was really good sometime end of last year. I had major sales, but I was training on the gray line. I had some trademark infringements, so my account was suspended, but I got my account back. And since I got my account, I've been reluctant on uploading, but recently I'm back to uploading, and I can say it's showing results, especially the World Cup season. I have a couple of World Cup designs that are up. I have a couple of holiday t-shirts that are up. And I'm
So you're targeting July 4th?
Yeah, I'm already targeting July 4th. I have a couple of designs up. So I'm still hopeful by end of summer. I should see better results.
NK.
Yeah, hey. My name is NK or Gigiri. What I specialize in is graphic design and a little bit of audio editing. I also do translation and voiceover, a little bit of voiceover. So as of now, what I'm concentrating on mostly is POD, print on demand, and more graphic designers. I don't know if the camera captured this earlier, but I was doing some graphic design where what I do mostly is artwork, podcast cover artwork. But then of late, about 3 months ago, I joined a site called Dominos. It's a print on demand site where you make designs, then you put them there, then you sell t-shirts. I've also sold a sticker and a poster. The poster being the most expensive one.
Well, that's cool, guys. First of all, just for the viewers, is that Deno and Gigiri, I've known these guys for around 4 years here.
4 years.
And they're good guys, young men trying to make it on the internet. Something I think they forgot, they freelance on Upwork and Fiverr, and mostly on the creative base of things, because that's where the world is headed. And the most important thing about this video is that it's mentoring each other and helping each other understand other sources of income, instead of just freelancing for clients on Upwork. And as they've said, they've tried to start majoring into print on demand on various sites like Match, by Amazon, Redbubble, and I think Teespring. Those are some of the few. And I think some of the sites have a small barrier to entry. For example, Redbubble, where I'm also thinking to diversify into. So I think that's a good breakdown of what they do. Personally, what I can say is that the kind of passive income I've ventured into is YouTube. That is number one. Is probably my main source of affiliates, not of passive income. But I'm really working towards making sure that at some point it's going to be a bigger source of revenue for me. The next thing is selling my own info products, and this includes a course on captioning. Basically, that is what we need to do. As we freelance, we need to understand that we need to venture out into other markets and other sources of revenue. So we're just hanging out, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is a freelance meet and eat kind of video, because yes, we're freelancing at the moment. We've met because we've not met in a while, and then we've just munched some good lunch, and I believe there's some good footage for you guys to enjoy this show. And as we continue, it's important that when you learn something, start growing and nurturing it to see if it's going to help you and help others. So personally, I learned how to edit videos, and I believe they know and Gigiri, I've showed them the ropes, and I believe I'll just splash some few conversations on WhatsApp to show you guys that I send them jobs at different hours of the night, telling them, hey, wake up, there's a job on this and this, and most of them do qualify for these jobs, including one that Gigiri actually got on Swahili voiceovers, and he made some good money. So today he just came to give me back some good money, some good money and pay back. And that's what freelancing is about. Freelancing is about meeting other people, hanging out, learning new stuff. And as it goes, nobody knows everything. I don't know everything about video editing or captioning or doing whatever, but there's somebody who knows something about something else. So link up with people, meet up with people, freelance, get to know what they're doing, get to know how you can benefit. And at the end of the day, we're going to all make some good money, at least some, whether it's passive or active, we're going to make something. So I think, you can say something. It seems you want to tell us something.
Yeah, just to add something to that note, I'd like to say my personal experience with this work is that once you keep something to yourself, you can't really grow.
Yeah.
Okay, as a start, I started working online in 2015. I was still in campus. I had a laptop and I didn't know what to do with it. I used to watch movies and look for games. But on meeting David, this guy inspired me a lot because I see his. We used to meet at Village Market, and I used to see the guy is here to work. I usually went there to download movies. So I looked at my life. I'm like, I'm just wasting my time here downloading movies. Someone else is making money. So I felt challenged. I asked David what he does. As a start, I copied almost everything he did. I ventured into exactly what he did. and created an account. It was a bit frustrating because I never got the work. I hadn't really put my mind into it. I thought this was simple. Let me just create an account, money will come. But no, it needed a lot of dedication, a lot of changing your mindset so that you set your mindset in such a manner that this is a career you undertake. And as of now, I don't think I can look for employment. I don't think I can. I totally, it has never crossed my mind since I finished campus. So my 2 cents on the issue is that we shouldn't really rely on maybe employment or looking for jobs. We should look for a way. In Kenya currently, there are no jobs. Okay, there are jobs, but getting those jobs is a bit hard. You can find a way and make some money on the side if you're working. If you're not, you can go full blown into it, and I guarantee you'll see results.
One last thing I would say is that there are endless opportunities on the internet. You can do almost anything on the internet. Like for example, when I started freelancing, I was a web designer, but I've never done any job on web design on the internet. So I did my smaller course, which was graphic design. Then after that, I did something called ebook formatting, making ebooks for the Kindle. Something that anyone can do. You don't have to have any special knowledge. With only actually 30 minutes or about 1 hour of learning, you can do it. So what I can say is that there's endless opportunities on the internet, and don't just stick on one thing. If one thing fails, you can try on something. You can try something else. Because there's a lot you can do on the internet.
I think to close up this video, I'd like to say that go out some more. I think the last time I met Deno, and it was sometime like last year. I met Deno at least once this year, but he was not this round. He's put on some good weight.
Come on.
I think he's making some good money on the internet. But the main reason for this is because it's good to get out of the house on time as a freelancer, meet other people, hang out, enjoy, move around. Just don't stay inside the house. For example, I was telling them that yesterday I did not see the sun because I spent the whole day working. I had some few deadlines, but then again, you have to remember that there's life outside work. So meet other people, know what they're doing, enjoy life, enjoy the money that you actually made, and above all, enjoy the process and just keep learning new things when you meet other people. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, stay creative and above all, never stop learning. Thank you.